Okay, now for the fun part. So we have converted booleans to integers, floats, and strings. We have converted integers to booleans. We have converted floating points to booleans, but we haven't converted strings to booleans yet. Okay, we haven't done this part right here. Now, this is where it gets slightly more interesting. But if you understand the integer to boolean part, right, or how a number is considered as boolean, right, which is 0 is false, anything else is true, you'll understand string as well. Okay, so let's, before we go on, okay, let's actually try and convert a few numbers, a few strings to booleans. I'm sorry. So what we want to do is we want to convert strings, I'm sorry, to booleans, right? So let's have a string s equals true, s equals true. Okay, just to verify that s is indeed a string, we'll say type s, and this will give us, it gives a string, right, str, which means s is a string. Now we do boolean s. What do you think this will give us? What will be the output of this uh, this statement be? True. It is true. That is expected. Okay, good. Now let's do something, and here's where you will get surprised. S equals false. The new value of S is false. Bool S. What do you think it will give us? You might expect it will give us false, but it still says true. It will still say true. Okay. Okay. So what's happening here, right? It doesn't matter what you give, it says true, right? When you say true, it says true, right? You convert a true to a boolean, it becomes true. You convert a false, it becomes true. What about other characters? What about, let's say, you know what, forget this. So let's do this. Bool of something else, hello. What do you think this will return? Or what do you think this statement will print? Bool of hello. You're trying to convert the string hello to a boolean value. Okay, what will this print? The answer is true. Okay, the answer is true. You say boolean, you can absolutely, you can type in gibberish. Okay, you can just type it, whatever you like, it doesn't matter, it will keep giving you true. Okay, so what is false? If every string is true, what is false? The answer is the empty string. Boolean, and that's your empty string. Okay, it's a string with nothing inside it. Okay, that is false. Okay, so just like the integer scenario, okay, where 0 is false, anything else is true, in case of strings, the empty string is false, right? Empty string. I'll just say empty string. The empty string is false. Anything else is true. Okay, and that's how we convert integers, floating point numbers, strings, and booleans into each other. Okay,